Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement. Today, we have something special for all the DIY enthusiasts and professional plumbers out there. We're going to introduce you to 10 cool plumbing tools that will make your life a whole lot easier. So, let's dive right in. The ORXPLUS Tools 2-in-1 Inner-Outer Reamer is a remarkable tool designed to simplify the deburring process for plastic pipes. With its innovative 2-in-1 structure, it eliminates the need for multiple tools by allowing you to complete both inside and outside deburring with a single tool. The versatility of this tool is evident as it can handle a wide range of materials, including PVC, CPVC, PP, PX, ABS, as well as soft metals like copper, aluminum, and brass. Equipped with a 3/8-inch shaft, the ORXPLUS Tools 2-in-1 Inner-Outer Reamer is optimized for use with a power drill, enabling you to efficiently and quickly deburr a large quantity of pipes. It is designed to handle outer diameter sizes ranging from 1 1/8 inch to 3 1/4 inch and inner diameter sizes from 1 1/16 inch to 3 3/8 inch, providing versatility for various pipe sizes. The durability of this tool is ensured with its zinc alloy body, offering long-lasting deburring performance and increasing its useful life. Say goodbye to the hassle of using multiple tools and streamline your deburring process with the ORXPLUS Tools 2-in-1 Inner-Outer Reamer. The PVC Fitting Saver with 1 1/2 inch and 2-inch head aluminum is an essential tool for any plumbing project. This PVC Pipe Reamer and PVC Socket Saver are designed to efficiently and effectively repair or remove fittings from various pipes. With its 0.315-inch hex shaft, it is compatible with standard drills, cordless drills, or impact drills, making it versatile and convenient for a range of applications. This fitting saver is perfect for water lines, drain lines, and vent lines. It works exceptionally well on Schedule 40 PVC pipe, CPVC, and ABS ventilation pipe. However, it's important to note that it does not work on Schedule 80 pipe. Built with a premium quality aluminum alloy body and a stainless steel hex key shaft, this PVC fitting saver is robust and durable. The square carbide insert provides 4 cutting surfaces, allowing for higher cutting efficiency and faster results. Before each use, the insert can be turned 90 degrees to reveal a fresh cutting surface. The T3 or water meter key is a reliable and durable tool that provides convenience and peace of mind. With its strong and sturdy construction, this water meter key is designed to quickly and effectively shut off the water at the curb, making it invaluable in emergency situations. Crafted from heavy-duty steel and featuring contractor-grade construction, the T3 or water meter key is built to last. Its 17-inch shaft, 7.5-inch handle, and 3/4-inch two-sided key opening with a grip handle ensure ease of use and a secure grip. This water meter key allows users to access the water meter without the need to call a professional, saving both time and money. Additionally, it comes with a multifunctional 4-way water key tool included, providing even greater versatility. One of the major advantages of the T3 or water meter key is its cost-effectiveness. By having a single tool that serves multiple purposes, there is no need to invest in several specialized tools, resulting in significant savings. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, the T3 or water meter key is an essential tool for shutting off water quickly and efficiently, offering convenience, durability, and cost-effectiveness. The PTNH and adjustable wrench is a lightweight and versatile tool designed specifically for hose fittings. Made of aircraft-grade lightweight 6061 T6 aluminum, this wrench is both durable and corrosion-resistant. With a spanner range from N3 to N12, this adjustable wrench can accommodate various bolts and nuts, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. It is the perfect solution for tackling tasks involving taps, valves, pipes, radiators, boilers, and even wheels. One of the key advantages of this wrench is its ergonomic design, allowing for easy use in narrow and confined spaces. Its lightweight construction adds to its convenience and maneuverability. The PTNH and adjustable wrench is a reliable and practical tool for any mechanic, plumber, or DIY enthusiast. Its bright appearance, thanks to its polished and anodized finish, adds a touch of professionalism to any toolbox. The MAXPOWER 15-inch chain wrench is a reliable and robust tool designed for tightening and loosening pipes. With a maximum pipe capacity of 5.5 inches, 14 centimeters, it can handle a wide range of pipe sizes. The chain length of 20 inches, 50 centimeters, is equipped with an anti-skid chain featuring a corrosion-resistant chrome-plated finish. Constructed with drop-forged and heat-treated CRV steel, this chain wrench ensures maximum strength and durability. The I-beam handle provides a comfortable grip, while the serrated teeth deliver powerful performance, enabling secure pipe adjustments. The MAXPOWER chain wrench is an adjustable pipe wrench that utilizes a chain wrapped around the pipe and engages the sprockets in notches on the back of the handle. This design allows for efficient and precise pipe tightening or loosening operations. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, the MAXPOWER 15-inch chain wrench is a reliable tool that offers durability, strength, and ease of use for various pipe-related tasks. The PVC Pipe Inside Cutter is a versatile tool designed for cutting plastic pipes with precision. It comes with 3 different shank options: a 1/4-inch hex shank, 1/8-inch round shank, and a 1/4-inch round shank, allowing for compatibility with most electric drills. Installing and replacing the cutter is a breeze, making it user-friendly. With its compact size and lightweight design, this cutter is portable and convenient to carry. It is specifically designed for cutting PVC pipes, plastic pipes, and wood. Additionally, it can be used for cutting soft metal pipes, but it is important to use coolant or water during the cutting process to prevent the saw blade from overheating. The Janir Disconnect Tongs tool is a handy plumbing tool designed for removing push-to-connect pipe fittings with ease. Whether it's copper or pipe fittings of any combination, this tool allows for quick and effortless removal without the need for extra glue, tape, soldering, or pliers. The disconnect tongs are reusable, adding to their practicality. Featuring a unique design, the disconnect line tool can reach the pipe perfectly, making your work much more convenient. The tool also comes with interchangeable teeth, allowing for easy switching by pressing the button at the top and inserting the replacement piece. The ThinkPro 1.5-inch tub drain extractor is a powerful plumbing tool designed to remove old, broken, stubborn, or rusted drain bathtub stoppers. This extractor set includes 6 pieces of pipe nipple extractors, each with a unique hex head design for maximum torque application using drain wrenches and heavy-duty pipe pliers. To remove the 1.5-inch tub drain, it is recommended to first hammer the extractor tightly into the drain and then use a wrench to loosen and remove it. For even better results, using a 1-inch 6-point socket with an extension and socket wrench can provide additional leverage and grip. The unique design of the tub drain removal tool ensures a strong grab on the drain, making the extraction process simpler and more effective. With the hex head design of the pipe nipple extractors, applying maximum torque becomes easier, allowing for efficient removal of stubborn drain tub stoppers. To keep the extractor set organized and easily accessible, it comes with a solid storage case. This ensures that the tools are protected and readily available whenever needed. The ThinkPro 1.5-inch tub drain extractor is a reliable and convenient plumbing tool that will make removing old, stubborn drain tub stoppers a breeze. Its sturdy construction and unique design provide the necessary strength and grip to tackle even the toughest drain extraction tasks. The Universal Adjustable Double-Ended Wrench Set is a versatile tool designed for the disassembly and assembly of sanitary ware and water pipes. This 3-in-1 multifunctional wrench set comes with 3 different card slots accessories, making it suitable for more than 99% of faucet nuts. It is not only ideal for bathroom and sink wrenches but also well suited for narrow spaces. With its new upgraded rounded tooth structure and canine teeth design, this wrench set offers a superb bite with an anti-slip rate of 99%. The teeth around the perimeter ensure a secure grip, providing a bite force that is 300% higher than traditional wrenches. It excels in the disassembly of sink fittings. Featuring an 80mm oversized opening, this wrench set allows for easy one-handed operation. The wrench opening size, diameter, can be adjusted as needed, providing high precision, flexibility, and efficiency. It is compatible with all systems of measurement. Made of aerospace aluminum alloy, this wrench set is highly durable with exceptional toughness and impact resistance. It offers a service life 3 times longer than conventional wrenches. The ergonomic short handle design ensures comfortable use, enhancing your overall experience. The Universal Adjustable Double-Ended Wrench Set is a reliable and long-lasting tool that combines versatility, precision, and comfort. It is an essential addition to your toolbox for water pipe repair and various sanitary and wear pipe applications. The Nipex TubingX Pipe Cutter is a compact and efficient tool designed for cutting pipes with ease. With a length of 7.25 inches, it can be comfortably operated with just one hand. The cutting process is made effortless by simply pushing the cutting wheel against the pipe. Featuring the Quick Lock single-handed quick adjustment, the cutting wheel can smoothly slide to any pipe diameter with a simple press of the thumb. This allows for versatile use on pipes ranging from a 1/4 inch to 1 3/8 inch in diameter, including copper, brass, and high-grade steel. The TubingX Pipe Cutter is equipped with high-quality needle bearings, ensuring smooth operation of the cutting wheel and 4 guide rollers. This results in precise and clean cuts every time. One notable feature is the Quick Lock one-hand locking mechanism, which allows for independent holding and clamping on the tube. This provides added stability during the cutting process. Additionally, the cutter offers the convenience of quick replacement of the cutting wheel without requiring any tools. A spare cutting wheel is conveniently stored in the handle, ensuring you always have a replacement on hand when needed. The Nipex Tubing pipe cutter is a reliable and versatile tool that combines ease of use, precision cutting, and convenient features. It is an ideal choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require efficient and accurate pipe cutting.